Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking this video, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always clicking to watch my videos. Welcome back to Nutritious NTV. I've made this lovely tropical and sweet coconut and pineapple smoothie. It's great for weight loss and can aid to help fight cancer cells in your body. I'll now serve it. The coconut aids fighting cancer cells, and then the pineapple is for weight loss and a healthy way to start your breakfast or morning. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.